the 800 Explorer. Let's see what this thing has to say. Can't I just go to the full normal screen? Quick shifter. Finally, quick shifter on the MT. Ooh, also down. Nice. Oh man, this makes it so much better. Just a quick shifter. Fuck. They should make it mandatory to sell this with a quick shifter. Just makes riding this bike so much better. And this whole iPad tablet thing, well, that's not a big deal for me. Especially not when you cannot put it on a normal screen. If you always have to have Apple CarPlay, for example, connected. Then I don't really like it. But just how this bike handles with the quick shifter is so much better. Nice. I think this is how CFMOTO or KTM designed the engine used. Yeah, for me, like all these CFMOTOs that I tested, put the handlebars a bit more upright. At least the handles on this one are a little bit better than the other ones we tested. This is good. Saddle for me can be a bit higher, but that's just I think you have different saddle options on this, and you can probably also put it a bit higher. I think for the test rides they just put it on the low setting. This bike, I could live with it. Gas response is good. I'm curious if I'm gonna put it in the even heated seats and blah blah blah. Let's put it in. You need to be at 0 speed, so you need to be stationary to be able to change the riding modes. Because on the 800 Sport there was the throttle response a little bit lagging for my liking. But this is this throttle response is really good. But it will be annoying if you have to buy the cheaper version of the bike just to have the gas response that it is, that you need or that you want. That will be annoying. They should just put on the Sport the same mapping. It's just a bit strange that the handlebar is pulled backwards, because I have the feeling that I want to lay on the bike. From the adventure models or the crossovers is this this is the most expensive one, I think. But you also just feel it. You feel that you pay extra, or you feel where your money goes. Also the dash is pretty cool. Gives you some indication when you're coming close to the ref limiter. That's cool. It's not needed, but it's cool. Quick shifter is good. Not the smoothest one, of course, not like a 4-cylinder, but that's normal. brakes are also sufficient. Nice. Yeah, just better than the normal version, better than the Sport. Zo moet dat zijn. Dat is hoe dat moet zijn. Zet de pikkel eens op. Dat is echt veel beter. Deze gasreactie is echt goed. Die hele quickshifter, dat is echt goed. Dus bij dat is eigenlijk als je gas geeft, veel gas, gewoon geen embrayage, gewoon gas openhouden en schakelen. En ook als je naar beneden wilt schakelen, gas dicht, helemaal dicht en dan kun je naar beneden tikken. Je moet dat wel eens proberen. Zo moeten met me. Dat is goed. Alle rest had ik zo echt van, nee, dat is niet 100%, dat is niet. Deze is goed. Deze is goed.